Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. You have the Three of Cups in upright position. I see that there's going to be a celebration of something, maybe in your relationship, your friends, or in your family. There's also success and joy in your work environment. I see that you're going to be very happy at the first week of the month because you are celebrating something, and you just feel that you are contented and supported with those people around you. So let's get another card. Okay, so after the celebration, you have the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. I feel that you might have some tasks that you neglect and lack of effort of something, maybe in your love life or in your career. You may feel unmotivated, lack of focus, lack of inspiration. And then you have this Seven of Cups in reverse also, which means that your job might be very unrealistic, might have very unrealistic expectation, and you do have these illusions that you could grow in this industry that you are working with. There might be some different ideas, different personalities or individuals. Competition. There's going to be competition going on this second week of April after the celebration. I see that you're also standing up with your principles and fighting it, showing your emotion. There's too much energy going on here. I see some misunderstanding, too many ideas that's busting in, challenges that you're going to face with your co-workmates. I can also feel that you might be struggling with your financial and you are struggling to budget your finances. So let's get an oracle card from your angel. What's their advice for Aquarius this coming April 1 to 15, 2025? You are complete. You are not broken. Nothing is wrong with you. Don't spend your life fixing problems. Dwell in the beauty of your being. You are enough now and always. So, in whatever situation that you are in, celebrating of something or in a competition or conflict within your circle of people, the universe is reminding you that you are complete and you don't have to spend your life fixing these problems or these challenges that you can't control. Just have to let it flow and dwell in the beauty of your being. The most important thing is yourself, and you are enough, and don't stress yourself with these things that you can control. So that's your reading, Aquarius. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.